agree with me that KaruSiteWaterfall is a place to be. I mean, it's literally beautiful. Just look at the beauty of nature over there. So beautiful. You can just come here. Please do not just sit back there and watch. Come here and experience by yourself. It is not hidden, it's just behind the popular Brimstone Academy, KaruSite, Abuja, Nigeria. Thank you so much for staying tuned with us. Please do it to follow us on all our socials, on Facebook at Kathy Moise, on Instagram at Kathy Moise Official, on TikTok at Kathy Moise, and of course, on YouTube at Young TV. Please do it to subscribe for more. Until next time, stay beautiful. I'm Kathy Moise. Bye-bye.